it does. Ladies and gentlemen, Rob Holland. And again, for the purposes of safety, Rob has...
Pulls back on that stick. Tremendous amount of G's as he does that. A couple of rolls on the way up. Gets right there and just lets go and see that's what happened. He did not let go, I lied. Here it is again, a big dive to gain speed. Getting up to close to 300 miles an hour at the bottom of this. Right there. Gravity gives him a swat. Right there. Pulls hard out to the right again, pulling probably 5 or 6 G's down at the bottom of that, maybe a little less. Out the top, trying to squirrel it around up there. Takes that airplane completely end over end at the top of that. And just comes right back down and begins flying again. Of course, he can't fly anywhere. Run for speed. Another very hard pull. But as he gets up here, the gravity forces lessen. And Rob kind of tumbles around. I can't see him, but there's only smoke. There he is. He's upside down. Right side up. Now he's upside down, right side up. Just imagine. All the while that you're doing all these incredible maneuvers. And again, this is just a sample of what you'll see him flying later on today. You may wonder about that smoke you've seen coming out of this airplane, and you'll see coming out of others here today. The Rob stops in the air and it tumbles, and you cannot do that with an airplane, but he does. The smoke is made by injecting a paraffin-based oil into the hot exhaust. It is there. No harm to the environment, to the cows, to the chickens, to the crickets, or to people. Down he comes once again. And slides it sideways through the air, turns around and it keeps on sliding. Right there, you don't have speed to fly anymore. I'll just hang here on my prop. Let the torque the engine spin around, backs up a little bit. Comes out and rolls again. Just watch the precision with which he stops it. Big hard pull out front. That was inside, so he was getting the pressure on the seat of the pants. But now again, just about worthless right there. Down in the trees, Rob. Thank you. Up and up and up he goes. This airplane can roll around the center axis at better than 5 meters per second. That is stunning performance. Now, several drivers his own smoke and said, I think I'm going to start park here for a while. The practical power and the skill of the pilot is the direction of the wind. He figured out right there. He can stop in the air. The Harrier is not the only airplane that can hover. Touches down. Back on us. How about a great round of applause for your national aerobatic champ, Rob Holland. And again, he will be back later in the show to fly his full routine.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for some heart-stopping excitement. The young man who just took off, well, he's younger than me anyway, is Rob Holland. Rob Holland is the only person ever to win the National Aerobatic Championship 10 times in a row, and he is the current reigning aerobatic champion. Here he comes from the left. Watch him do a rolling half-cube at 8.
Outside of his head. Of course, he's trying to ram him out of that cockpit when he pulls through the rocket. Up and up he goes. Gets to the top, seems to be out of power. And what happens when you have no power? The airplane just kind of tumbles around. Right back down. Nose down, and here we go again. Watch this one.
Let's get another push. The way this when it comes out, he calls it the frisbee.
Look at this. Nose to tail. Not more but twice. Comes down that 45. Up goes the airplane once again out to the left. Rob Holland working hard in there, sweating already. That's the airplane swapping sideways, front to back. Slides out the sideways, completely out of control. Right through. This is Rob Holland after all.
Right into his next maneuver. Once again, way up high. It just appears to be totally out of control at the top, but of course, again, never out of control. That's so good.
It looks like a shark streak in the sky, down low, for a lot of speed, out to the left. Takes her straight up in the air. Comes out of the top, just twisting, tumbling at her side to side, and back into plane.
And out to the right, he's going to do one called the Cardiac Express. Good name for it. Watch this.
If we're on schedule, this ought to be one called the Cobra. Edge for edge once again. Amazing. No airplane could do that. This one can.
Out to the right side once again, hard pull down at the bottom, a whole bunch of G's. No worries, the airplane could withstand 16 G's positive and negative. That's right, 16 times its own weight and is. Never gets out there, but easily pulls over 11 G's several times during this routine.
Goes two parts of the stack. Roll. I'm sorry. I'm losing you, Rob. You're too fast for me. This airplane was designed at suggestions from Rob. It's the only one of its kind. Built right here in the U.S. The MX-RH. Carbon fiber. 5 sideways through the sky. And at the end of it, back on the stick, using all the horsepower, all sky. No, 2 planes do that maneuver.
All right, this is a climb up. Get ready for the second half of my show. It's also an amazing air show coming up. We got the F-22 Raptor, a lot of other fantastic acts. Thanks everyone here at Geneseo for having me back. It's always an honor to be here. We'll be back inbound in about 20 seconds. Back to you.
Multiple rolls on this entry, and he's going to be doing 300 miles an hour when he gets to the bottom of it.
What he calls the rolling spin. Spinning that airplane around and rolling at the same time. When most people do a tumble in aerobatics, they do it to the outside. He does it a little different. He's going to do it with his head to the inside.
It's something you looked at and said, you know, I can do that a different way.
I once asked Rob where he comes up with his maneuvers, and he said, you know what, I watch what everybody else does, and then I learn something different. I'm going a bunch of rolls.
And he's going to push here with his head to the outside. The G-force is ramming him up into his helmet. He'll get turned around. This is going to be the Leo roll, attributed to Leo Lautenschlager. Double snap right, full roll left, half roll right, half onside snap, 1/4 of the roll. It's just a whole bunch of things all mixed into one. Here we go. Yeehaw!
Next, watch for the Typhoon tumble. Coming down that 45-degree line, doing rolls all the way back down. There's the tumble. Again, and for. There's the rolls. Now, the next one simply called Michael.
Doesn't matter. Watch this. Out to the right side and do something called the
Heading back toward show center. Watch for the sidewinder.
And now you know why it's called that.
Hangs it on the pump, just hanging on the torque of that engine. Coming back at you.
This is going to be something he calls the inverted frisbee.
Over the top, upside down. And right side up. And now every side in the wrong place. calculated tremendous power and skill. This airplane can do things that virtually no other aerobatic plane could do. A vertical inside tumble is something he calls the Hoover, or hover, I'm sorry. I agree, he calls the hover. You know, of course, about the airplane, the Harrier that can hover in the air. It's a jet plane. Well, Ron Holland has figured out how to hover. Look at that. Just based on his controls, reading the wind, and sitting in there looking like enough of that. Oh, get out of here now.
Left to set up for the double knife edge pass. Rob wants to thank his sponsors, Fremont Watches, Champion Aerospace, Afterglow Aircraft Solutions, MGL Avionics, Lycon Engines, Whirlwind Propellers, and Turbo Aviation. Up comes nose on. Wings it.
Now, Rob's going to set up for his landing, and of course, being Rob Holland, he doesn't land like anybody else. So here we go. We're going to go upright, do a flat spin upright, coming down. To lose altitude and get set to put it on the runway. There he goes, right side up. Puts the airplane into a spin. Yeah, come on, I need to bleed a little more altitude off here. Yeah, we're getting close. That's, I think, right there. Down he comes toward the runway, knowing exactly how much to pull back on that stick to get into the landing. He's going to be down any second. Right, Rob? You done, right? No, he's not done yet. Rolls it upside down and around and back on the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, your national aerobatic champion, the incomparable Rob Holland.